Have you ever wondered why clarified butter can be heated to much higher temperatures without burning? Let's uncover the science behind this kitchen secret. Clarified butter is produced by melting regular butter and separating its components. The process removes milk solids, leaving behind pure butter fat. Regular butter contains casein proteins, lactose, and whey which burn easily when heated. These components are carcinogenic and should be avoided at high temperatures. Clarified butter can reach higher temperatures without burning because it lacks these milk solids. It's ideal for sautéing and frying due to its high smoke point. The process of clarifying butter involves allowing the solid butter to melt gently, with water slowly separating from the fat. This results in 3 distinct layers: milk solids, water, and pure butterfat. Clarified butter offers a richer flavor without the risk of burning. It's perfect for recipes that require high heat or extended cooking times, such as sauces and baked goods. By removing milk solids, clarified butter not only enhances the taste but also prolongs shelf life. It can be stored for longer periods compared to regular butter. So there you have it, the science behind clarified butter and its benefits in high-heat cooking. What surprising facts did you learn? Share your thoughts in the comments.